سلام ዝኸበርኩም ተኸታተልቲ ከመይ ቀኒኹም ኣነ እግዚአብሔር መስገን ጽቡቕ ኣለኹ ንሎም ማዓንቲ ፍልይ ዝበለ መደብ ኣዳልየ ዘለኹ ከመይ ጌርና መንእሰያት ደቅና ምስ ባህሎም ነላልዮም ክኸውን እዩ ንስ ድማ እንጀራ ምኽሳስ ክጅምሩ እዮም ኣብኡ እውን ውድድር ኣሎ መን ተዓወተ መን ቀደመ ኩሉ ክሳብ መወዳእታ ሓቢርና ብሓንሳብ ንጽና
ከይጀመርና ግን እቶም መወዳድርትና ክንሰምዖም ሕጂ ዕድል ክበና እዩ Hello.
كمان
زي مسكن كمان لغي
بوز كمان مسكن
من شنكي
ناردوسي بحال
good بزعبا لو ما أنتي وددر كمان سمعك
To be honest with you, I'm very confident. وناتو كابني إشتاي كله يكاسس نيري so يكاسس موبايل على تفلت أريخ أنتي مالتكم تفن
هو إذا حتى صغير
أوكي
فمكرر لكي
مكرر لأنه قربتين إشتاي
مو من كسعاري تبلي
كسعاري to be honest Mickey I don't think is gonna win وناتو the only reason why I'm participating in this competition is so that I can wipe the floor with Mickey.
Okay, زي أبتينا ده تقولنا.
Of course, Mickey lose.
Thank you, Nardos.
سلام دحندو.
زي مسكين.
مو مني شمكي.
ديبارا محاري.
ديبارا محاري. How confident are you to win this challenge?
حدث قاعد ميتي.
هو.
تقولينه. شعتن.
وصبو we like confident people ما تمكروا لك ريناي مكساس
yes
تهاسي اكاسيس كتفلدي
yes
صبو ما مني دسعد خمد مسلك
حق إنك نزارب ويش
زي لكن حاول تزارب freedom of speech you know
okay I think أنا بسألك so هذا هو كبري غلطيمة
كي بخيو هو
كي إيوه كريستينا مشارو إشتيا الجغا يوكا
sensitive إندي
تجيبالا
تحكي أنا بحكي تجيبها okay mo thank you so much سلام دحندو
زهر مسكين
صبو mo سلسة حتوتات إننا أدانينا نيرنا مني شمكا مجمرة
my name is Michael Daniel yeah that's it
okay ميك زلو خاص أنا حس نسخة همو
yeah I go by very many names
حرة mo تخاريت حتونا ناي تمكرو حتى تمكرو لك علي ناي مكساس
not really this is your experience first time
I know
you know I'm here
so تمكرو لك علي ويا بالكان كميها
honestly I don't know why I'm here I'm just here for diversity because like there was too many girls
راي مو صبوني diversity كلاكا مكساسي ناي أوالد ناي ودات ناي كونس ناي كلات نايو
exactly
حجي من يدو سعر كم دمسلك عنها
honestly I think all of you are losing everybody's losing
نايت تمكرو زي بلوس نحنا نسعر
I'm just kidding honestly I'm just trying to keep it low key like not be on anyone's bad side just trying to make it out alive
okay thank you سلام دحندو
كله دحين زي مسكين
مني شمكي
روتي
مو تمكرو لك دي ناي مكساس
nope
والحنتي
nothing
الراي بالي مو are you excited
yeah
الراي مو مني بناتك opinionsي مني دسعر
I think the younger ones are gonna lose. Christina and Mary are gonna lose. And who's gonna win? I think I'm gonna win.
You think you're gonna win?
I think I'm gonna win. I'm really confident. Yeah.
الراي بالي مو سلام competition يكون لنا لحندينا مو همي
زي مسكن
مني شمكي
كريستينا بحال
مو تمكرو لك ريناي مكساس انجرا
هو اب يوغندا قرب يقبر نيرا كان بزح انا يملي قرب
نيشتي
دحاني
صبو مو مني السعر منيو السعر مسلكي
أنا confidence على نفسي. I think I'm gonna win. Again, there's a win they go again. I think maybe Nardos or Mickey will win. but just know I'm gonna win.
Okay, thank you. ሰላም ደሓንዶ?
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን።
ጽቡቅ መን እዩ ሽምኪ?
ዮካ
ዮካ ሞ ተመክሮ ኣለክ ዲ ናይ ምክሳስ?
እወ
ጌርክ ትፈልጥ ኢኺ?
እወ
Oh, okay. Mo, how confident are you to win this?
I'm very confident. I think I'll be the winner. I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve. So yeah.
سعريام تمسلكن هلا؟
What?
مو منيو خد السعر مسلك.
I think if I don't win, I think it'll be Mickey. Or maybe.
Who's coming in last place?
Ritzy and Deborah. And Nardos, for sure.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
من شنكي؟
Mary.
ما كم يسمعك لو بزعبة لو ما عندي وددر. سعرات مسلك؟ سعرات مسلك لو ما عندي؟
I mainly think that Deborah is gonna lose or Yoka because their hands are a little funky. So yeah.
Okay, so سعر مسلك?
I think I'm gonna get onto the rank, but I don't think Yoka and Deborah are gonna be like 30. Rank 30.
Do you have experience in engera making?
Yeah.
So out of 1 to 5, what would you rate yourself?
A 3. Full 3.
Thank you. Yeah, you.
Wait.
Can we go with her? Go inside. See if like multiple people, it will show your faces. It will. But it shows your faces too clearly.
Oh, no, I think you should have it open. Yeah, you put first one on the one. If Ruti, can you see us? If you have it over
Okay, water.
Can you see us?
Yeah. But it shows your face very clearly. Like if you have, like it will show all of everything.
Take a picture.
It's a video.
Let me borrow that?
No, it's on.
Hello.
She just wants to use it.
How about you let me do this? Okay?
No.
How about you let me do this? Right? And then we disconnect the Bluetooth first, right? Yeah.
Why are you guys recording?
So this is scary. Go back to this.
First she's showing us.
I'm gonna say, welcome to our engera learning lesson. No, competition.
Yeah, competition.
There's no lesson.
Because like competition, everybody's gonna be interested. They're gonna be like, competition? Who's gonna win?
I'm gonna then go back then. Okay, thank you. Alright, now come on.
He's sitting down and gets interviewed.
Oh, that would be so cool. So how did you feel about your engera?
سلام دحندو?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to Gannet channel. No, do it again. What? Hello everyone, welcome to Gannet channel. No.
Okay, it's my turn. I don't have that much experience, so. Okay, I should. Oh yeah. Honestly, I hope I do very well. Yeah, of course, guys. Please vote for me, the one and only. Cause I need to win this, bro. I need to prove them wrong. Boys can also do this. It's not only for girls, even boys can do this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, gotta clean this first. Okay. Ooh, let's pray for the best. Oh, guys. Alright, let's go.
Start with the other side. እዚኣ ሲ ዝበለፀት እያ ኮይና ዘላ ዝበለፀ
Okay.
Is that good? Is that good enough?
በጣም ጽቡቅ ነው። መላያ ጥራቸው መላያ
I should add more?
መላያ
Okay.
Let's see this. Okay.
Okay.
This is a promising.
በጣም ጽቡቅ
That means you're gonna win.
Actually,
ከደን
guys, please vote for me, please. I need this. I need this. Please vote for me.
كتعودي غدا على جواب.
Okay, so now we wait. Personally, I wait till like you know, till my instincts tell me like it's time, because you know like there's that saying like, remember like when you're putting salt and you're like you gotta stop when your ancestors tell you to stop. So now like the same thing applies to me for engera. I just wait till my ancestors tell me like it's time to get it off. So like let's hope it's for the best.
When did they tell you to get it out right now?
It's not yet time.
Yeah.
They're like just wait a bit. I think today is like 1 minute, I think.
1 minute.
Yeah.
1 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, 1 to 3 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
It shouldn't take that long.
Don't tell him how to take it. Don't tell him to take it.
No,
To
no.
his ancestors.
أنا اللي زمهر له.
Yeah.
كريئكم.
She's also part of my ancestors too, like.
Yeah.
Okay, now we wait.
Yeah. قربتي تتصبي.
Do I look good?
You look good.
Make sure you
make
vote
sure
fairly and
Please. It's obvious. Like I'm the best, right? Like I'm not trying to be like.
I think that was better.
What?
That was better.
We'll let them decide.
please comment who was the best and
هزبي audience يوم نعرفهم زمرتهم ومن كان استعوته.
Comment Mike M-I-K-E.
هو.
Yeah, Mickey.
شم جيرم ببزح دمت بلج أزرقكم وياكم تشلمات وصلوا.
I think it's time, yeah.
Yeah.
It was about time my ancestors told me take it off.
Wow. كتصب.
Mine's better.
and please vote on points. Like if people like lose points, like if they touched on their hands or something, please vote on that too.
Yeah.
I think Mary did the best, right?
I hope I get first place.
كله مقبل حسكا دخونا نجار يتحزني خالق نجار سلازي كله نتبي على أوصل حج
Okay.
تخبي
Oh.
هذا
Like I'm telling you, you can't make this up. Like it's just a natural talent. You can't make this up.
يا كدنا حجي نعقدنا
Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment Mike. I need this win. I need to prove them wrong. Do it for me. Please. It's not only girls who can do this. Boys can do it too. Right?
What?